Okay, so in the first lecture we have seen about the scope and importance. So in the scope there is a one part is there, and the importance binomial nomenclature. So what is binomial nomenclature? So we are knowing the earlier plants, the names were polynomials. Poly means many, that is composed with several words which are based on the diagnosis or the phrases. So these names are given as per the local famous names are there. But in 1975, the 16 nature, and in 1735 Systema Nature, and in 1737 Genera Plantarum. These two books, they are written by the scientist, and in 1560 to 1624 there is one authority is there, Caspar Bauhin. They were the Swiss botanist, and firstly initiated and used the binomial nomenclature. Bi means two, so two names are there, name of genera and name of the species. Then what is binomial nomenclature? For example, for the mango, botanical name is the Mangifera indica is there, right? Here you are observing the first word denote the generic name, and this name of the or name of genus, and the second name denote the specific name or the name of the species, right? For the varieties, name is there, then it is called as a trinomial, but generally we are using the binomial. Example for trinomial, Brassica oleracea, it is a one word, variety capitata. For example, it is the name for the cabbage. In cabbage, you are knowing different colored cabbage are there, so these are nothing but the varieties. So here the names must be have authority or the author citation. For example, Mangifera indica Lin, L-I-N-N. Lin, generally it stands for the name of the scientist, Linnaeus. Already we have seen. So who has firstly given the name to this plant? So in honor of them, right, this name is given, the Lin. It is called as a authority name. Then scientific names must be italics. Italics must be tirke if printed, and when typed or handwritten, so they should be underlined. त्याला अंडरलाईन करावे लागते, आणि टाईप असतील तर त्याला इटॅलिक्स करतात. नेक्स्टली पॉलिअल्थिया लॉंगिफोलिया म्हणजे अशोक ट्री. सो बेंथ अँड हुकर, बेंथम अँड हुकर, देर इज नो अंडरलाईन टू द ऑथर्स नेम्स. ऑथर्स नेम्सला आपण अंडरलाईन करत नाही किंवा इटॅलिक्स करत नाही. इफ इट इज इम्पॉर्टंट to find the name is valid or not. Then in 1707 to 1778, Carl Linnaeus, Swedish botanist, they have firstly given proper binomial system for the plants, and it is established in the book. So you remember this name of book, Species Plantarum. Species Plantarum in 1973, and used two names, as one for genus and second for the species. In 1763, second book they have written, it is the Genera Plantarum, established into modern system as kingdom, classes, order, genera and the species. And in 1751, Linnaeus described the set of nomenclature rules which came into the effect from 1750. So all names were given by Linnaeus in their study. So this is the one part is there. Then secondly, as you are knowing, here if the genus name is changed, for example Pinus canadensis, actually Pinus is a gymnosperm, but it is a good example. So hemlock tree, Linnaeus named the first so-called parenthetical authority, so name of Linnaeus, and later Cariri, named as a Stuga candidensis. So it is written as the in bracket name of Linnaeus and outside the bracket CARR. So CARR means the scientist name Cariri, right? So the new author of the name is it is called as the combining authority, and first authority name is called as the parenthetical authority. So you please keep this process in this one. Then advantages of this system. So nomenclature, name name names are derived from the Latin, Greek, Sanskrit, and these languages are accepted by the scholars and the ICBN, International Code of Botanical Nomenclature. Botanical names universally accepted as compared to the vernacular names. Vernacular, that is the common names are there. So rather than common name, botanical names are accepted, and it indicates the affinities of species under one genus. Suppose the Ficus bengalensis, Ficus glomerata, राईट. फायकस म्हणजे बनियन ट्री म्हणतो आपण त्याला, वडाचं झाड. ग्लोमेरेटा म्हणजे उंबर, राईट. The names are descriptive, hence it gives the information regarding the plants are there, and names are exact and governed by the rules are there. So this is the for our today's topic. So please you remember all this one. So binomial nomenclature. So what is binomial? We has given firstly this one, and secondly binomial nomenclature. We have to give the with example. And nextly about the in 1707 to 78, Carl Linnaeus has Swedish botanist given this system, right, and the name of the genus. So this is our part. And last point we just we have seen advantages of binomial nomenclature. Okay, so in the next lecture we will see about the next part. Thanks to all.